In a nation where resilience meets vision and ambition fuels transformation, there rises a man whose journey from the bustling Onitsha main market to the skies of Africa redefined success. He is not just a businessman, not just an academic, but a visionary. This is the story of Professor Obiora Okonkwo, the man behind United Nigeria Airlines.
I'm highly delighted. When the minister came on board, one thing we continue to see that is a great difference is that he has a listening ear. Few occasions that I've met with him will always say, policy, policy, policy.
His journey began in the heart of Anambra State, Onitsha, one of West Africa's busiest commercial hubs. As a young boy, Obiora Okonkwo balanced school with trading alongside his father in the same market, unknowingly laying the foundation for the empire he would one day build. With a fire for education, young Obiora journeyed far from home to Moscow, where he earned a first-class degree in economics and management from the prestigious Russian People's Friendship University. But he didn't stop there. He went further, obtaining a master's degree in economics and eventually a PhD in political science, all with distinction. In the halls of Russia's Academy of Sciences, Okonkwo sharpened his intellect, preparing for a destiny far greater than he imagined. His excellence didn't go unnoticed. In 2022, President Muhammadu Buhari awarded him the Order of the Federal Republic (OFR), a national honor recognizing his immense contributions to Nigeria's economy and development. But even before then, he had already made waves. The Sun newspaper crowned him Entrepreneur of the Year in 2022, and in 2021, he received the Dr. Michael Okwara Leadership Prize in Business, and in 2019, Rotary International honored him as the Youth Leadership Icon. But what truly turned heads across Nigeria's business landscape was the birth of United Nigeria Airlines, an ambitious and bold venture that took off during one of the country's most turbulent economic periods. Who owns United Nigeria Airlines? The answer is Professor Obiora Okonkwo. He is not just the founder, but the chairman and brain behind its vision, with a modern fleet that continues to expand. United Nigeria Airlines is on a mission to connect Nigerians from Lagos to Abuja, Enugu to Asaba, and beyond. The airline started operations in February 2021 and as of today, boasts over 4 active aircraft with plans to expand its fleet to more than 10 in the coming years. Built on safety, efficiency, and Nigerian hospitality, the airline has become a symbol of what Nigerian entrepreneurship can achieve when passion meets precision. Beyond aviation, Professor Okonkwo is the mind behind the Dome, Abuja's premier entertainment and hospitality complex, home to the Summit Restaurant, Camelot Spa, Twins Cafe, Francis Hotel, Noni's Pizza, and even a bowling alley. The Dome has become a lifestyle destination for Nigeria's elite. His businesses span engineering, security, logistics, hospitality, communications, and real estate, all employing over 1,000 people, including many expatriates. He is also the president of the Nigeria-Russia Chamber of Commerce and chairman of the Nigeria-Belgium Business Forum, a global businessman with local roots. But beyond the boardroom, Professor Obiora Okonkwo's heart lies in philanthropy. Through the Joseph Okonkwo Foundation, named after his father, he offers scholarships to Nigerian students in universities across Europe, America, and Nigeria. He built and donated an entire school in Ogidi, Anambra State, which he placed in the hands of the Sisters of Divine Mercy to manage, with school fees fully covered by him. He is also a generous builder and donor to churches, empowering youth with skills acquisition and entrepreneurship boot camps. Through his Pro-Value Humanity Foundation, he inspires value-based leadership and community service, helping thousands break the circle of poverty. His approach is simple: give people knowledge, tools, and hope, and watch them rise. He is fluent in English, Russian, and Igbo, and walks confidently across international platforms as a voice for Africa's economic renaissance. He is a Knight of the Order of King Leopold, the highest Belgian national honor for foreigners, and one of Nigeria's most decorated private citizens. Born on December 5, 1965 in Ogidi, immediately north of Anambra State, Professor Obiora Okonkwo has lived a life of vision, compassion, and undying patriotism. From Onitsha main markets to international boardrooms, from academic corridors in Moscow to the skies of Africa, he is a man who took flight and now helps others soar. This is more than a success story. This is Obiora Okonkwo, and this is his legacy.